Welcome everyone to Audible Sports Rapid Replay. And today we're going to rip one of the hottest products out there. New product, fun product. Ripping this for the first time. Bowman U Chrome football. It's the first product of University Bowman Chrome that actually has the licensing with the actual college logos and everything. So it's really cool. There's 2 autos per box. And this box is loaded with top guys coming out in this year's draft. Bryce Young, Caleb Williams, Will Levis, Anthony Richardson. Let's see what we could pull. We got a pack earlier from the car shop that we bought this from, and we just bought this pack for $5, and we pulled this Edgy Hall Gold Auto Refractor, number to 50. So not bad, So I got a pack just to see, what they're all about. There's 4 cards per pack. And on this one, we pull an auto right off. So hopefully it's our lucky day with Bowman Chrome U 2022 football. So let's get to it. All right, let's get to this. Oops, sorry. That was funny. Let's put this to the side. That was funny. All right, try and put this here. There we go. That's to the side all the way to the back. And we're going to rip these all together here. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. First pack. All right, off the bat. Luke Altmaier, Jared Hall, Drew Allard, and Robinson, running back for the Texas Longhorns. Their second pack. Jeremy Burden, Hutchinson, Hendon Hooker. He's coming out of the draft. Caleb Williams. All right. There we go. Not bad. Heisman Trophy winner. Caleb Williams. Not bad. Butcher. Buckner. Quarterback for the Irish, Jordan Addison for USC, and Wicks for Virginia, and Ojulari for LSU. All right. Degenerate Robinson, running back for Texas. It's a thick card. These are thicker cards. Nice. Look at that. Nice. That down, one down. Cameron Ward and Aiden O'Connell. Bowman first. So there's 2 autos in this box. So hopefully we can pull some bangers. Dylan Gabriel, Zach Calaza, Jabari Smalls, Nair. Tanner Morgan. For Minnesota, first auto, Kenny McIntosh. Running back. For Georgia. Nice. That's our first auto. Look at that. Kenny McIntosh. Is it numbered? Yes, it is numbered. 076 of 499. And these are thicker cards, too. Look at that. Nice. Kenny McIntosh. He played in 14 games for the 2021 National Champs, ran for 320 yards and 3 touchdowns on 58 carries. Made 22 catches and 242 yards and 2 TDs. Norm 7.0 yards per tote in 2019. Nice. He's from Fort Lauderdale, and he will be in the draft this year. So let's see how high he goes. I like these refractors. Look at that. That's the first auto of the box. All right. Good corners. Nice. All right, let's keep on ripping. Oh, there's Bryce Young in the back. Nice. John Emery. Will Anderson. Cam Rising. And Bryce Young. Bryce Young, base. Not numbered. Let's see how high he goes in the draft. Mertz, quarterback for Wisconsin. Rambling, Jay Downs. Clayton Tune for Houston. And Akeem Dent. Really good cornerback for FSU. All right, this feels a little thicker for some reason. What's it? There's something here that's thick. Oh, Bo Nix. Another one of those thick inserts. K-Mac McNamara. Nice. For Michigan. And Dorian Thompson-Robinson for UCLA. Will Shipley for Clemson. Oh, here we go. Aqua Wave. Jalen Carter, defensive lineman. Number 4 out of 299. Nice. Running back for Pitt. Israel Baninkara. Hope I didn't butcher it, but nice. Noah Swole. So well. All right. Trevor Etienne. This is the brother of Travis Etienne. Plays for Florida. Mims. A Sooner. Isaiah Rex. And Jackson Dart. Can he throw darts? Dallas Turner. Not numbered. Jorkovic for Boston College, quarterback. Raheem Jarrett, wide receiver for Maryland. And Keely Ringo, cornerback for Georgia. Okay. Domani Jackson for USC. Brendan Armstrong. I like these inserts for University of Virginia. These are like 1952. Yeah, 1952 Bowman look. Nice. Cool. Nice insert. Cool insert. Kenny McIntosh again. That's his base card. Jordan Battle. Safety for the Crimson Tide. Roll Tide. Ellie Ricks for Alabama. Ooh. Jackson Smith Ingigba. I always butcher his last name. I'm sorry. But this is one of these purple number cards. And this one's numbered 5 out of 399. So a lot of nice inserts and number cards in this product. Nice. Jalen Billingsley and Raleek Brown for USC. All right. Nick Singleton. This kid's going to be a good running back for Penn State. And our second autograph, Bowman first, Cameron Ward for USC. Cameron Ward for USC. Quarterback. Not numbered. He's a sophomore. 6'2", 223 pounds. In 2021, he was a Conference Offensive Player of the Year. Walter Payton Award finalist, threw for 4,648 yards and 47 touchdowns to 10 interceptions. This kid might be something this year. Cameron Ward. Nice. All right, trying to put this into a top loader. Cameron Ward. So let's put him up here. Here's our autos. So we pulled our 2 autos already. Let's see what other inserts we got in here. Let's get our other auto on the top loader. There's our 2 autos. You know what, we'll put them over here. And the rest of our cards, Michael Mayer and Adriel Anthony. And I had those from earlier. Mason Smith and Stetson Bennett for Georgia, quarterback, base card. Malachi Moore for Alabama, wide receiver. Josh Weil, tight end for Cincinnati. Xavier Worthy, wide receiver for Texas. And Will Rogers, quarterback for Mississippi State. Nolan Smith for Georgia. Jahmyr Gibbs, nice insert. Those are the Bowman 52. Running back for Alabama. Jalen Carter again for Alabama. For Georgia, sorry. Valladay, running back for Arizona State. Josh Downs, wide receiver for North Carolina. Nico Maricoichol, quarterback for West Virginia. Anthony Richardson. This kid's going to go high in the draft. Base card. And Pat Garwo, running back for Boston College. K. Klubnik for quarterback for Clemson. And C.J. Stroud, insert refractor, 1952 Bowman. Nice. He's from Rancho Cucamonga, California. Nice. Bo Nix and Will Anderson for Alabama. Denzel Burke, quarterback for OSU. Jaron Hall, quarterback. Insert Bowman 52 for Brigham Young. Henry 2020, linebacker for Alabama. And Walker Howard, quarterback for LSU. All right, 4 more packs. All right, what's going on here? There we go. Keyshawn Smith for the U, wide receiver. Gibbs, Rambling for the Tide. Trayshawn Holden for the Tide also. And Spencer Sanders, quarterback for OSU. Oklahoma, the other OSU. Oklahoma State University. Here we go. Jaden Wally, running back for Mississippi State. J.J. McCarty, quarterback for Michigan. Zach Evans, running back for Ole Miss. And Aggie Hall, the base. So I did some research. He's no longer with Texas. He got kicked off the team for, I don't know. Maybe he pops up somewhere in the transfer portal somewhere else. Seems like he's got a lot of talent, but it's gotten in trouble. He was in Alabama, transferred to Texas. So he was in Alabama, 4-star recruit, number 3 wide receiver, the 2021 class. And then he transferred out of Alabama, went to Texas, and got kicked off the team in Texas indefinitely late last year. All right, last pack mojo. Nope, not last pack. We got 2 more packs. Second pack mojo. Second to last pack mojo. See what we got. Booty, wide receiver for LSU. Ronnie Bell, running back for Michigan. Tyler Van Dyke from the U. Nice. Base card. And C.J. Stroud, base card too. C.J. Stroud could go. He's going to be top 5, a lot of people think. They say he's probably the most. Everybody's saying that he's probably the most polished to enter the draft. So we'll see how it goes. But everybody's raving about Anthony Richardson as offside. They're saying he's a freak. Oh, we got some color here. Michael Tinsley, wide receiver for Penn State, and Tyler Van Dyke from the U. Nice. Oops, there we go. And that one's not numbered. So this just is a purple Simmer or Glimmer. Nice. And our last 2 cards. Gibbs for Alabama and Mims. Okay, not a bad break. We got some nice autos in there. And we'll recap real quick some of our hits. So there's your Tyler Van Dyke. Purple, C.J. Stroud base. Tyler Van Dyke base. Keyshawn Smith. Jerry Hall insert. C.J. Stroud insert. Anthony Richardson base. Gibbs insert. Stetson base. He's going to the draft. I think he's actually going to be pretty good. You know, what he did for Georgia was pretty amazing. Great career. Back to back, you know. People say C.J. Stroud the most polished, but don't sleep on Stetson Bennett. Whoever picks him up might have a really good late round pick. Robinson, that insert those 6 cards. Hendon Hooker also going on the draft base. Caleb Williams base, not numbered. Heisman Trophy winner. Nick Singleton. Jackson Smith. This one is numbered. 5/399. Nice. Armstrong, quarterback for Virginia. Insert Jalen Carter. Insert, this one's number also. Number 4/299. Will Shipley. Base. K. McNamara. Base. Bo Nix. Quarterback for Oregon. Those thick cards, I like them. Akeem Dent. Cornerback for FSU. Downs. And Bryce Young base card. All right, thank you, guys. That was, and didn't want to forget our autos. So here we got Kenny McIntosh, running back for Georgia. Nice auto, nice penmanship. You know, you would think so. He took his time doing that autograph. You know, some people just scribble, I want to get done with it. But that was nice. See, like here, Cameron Ward, just CW. Interesting. Nice auto. And then Cameron Ward, quarterback for Washington State. Bowman first, auto. And then this is the one that we pulled in that single pack that we bought at the store. Aggie Hall, like we said. Number 3, wide receiver in the 2021 class was in Alabama. Then cut it in Alabama and transferred to Texas. And this is a gold refractor, auto. 25/50. Hopefully this young man figures it out and can land somewhere, and he's got talent. So thank you, everyone. See ya. Oh, again, so thank you for watching his Audible Sports Rapid Replay on YouTube. But we got tons of cards to sell on eBay. Just go to our store, Audible Sports on eBay. Audible Sports on eBay. Tons of cards, tons of slabs. We got baseball, football, everything you can imagine. Juan Soto rookie, PSA, LeBron James, Jeter, PSA 8 rookie, Tatis, PSA 10 rookie. And this is a great card. Connections, Tom Brady, one of the early number cards, PSA 10. And this is with Randy Moss. Connections hollow foil. This one is only numbered to 25. 60 out of 25. So cards like these you can find on Audible Sports Store eBay. Tom Brady Bazooka Joe Blue 9. Tom Brady Rookie PSA 9. Tons of stuff. We got tons of slabs. Go to eBay, to our eBay store, Audible Sports. All right, thank you for checking out this rip of this new product. At least you can see what's in it before you buy and what to expect. It's a fun product, and hopefully you can hit some of the top autograph bangers. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.